Doing a little drunk kitchen time this evening with some red velvet cupcakes for my mom's belated birthday. I'm gonna beat this like your ex-wife in a second. I'm a little scared to get the mixer going. Look, okay, it looks okay, and then you see this is just gonna be a disaster. I think if I, oh boy, if I just get the powder under the liquid, it should help. Alright, it's a little full, but I feel like I need to get this on record in case anything happens. Oh, it's good! It's good! We're golden! Here, oh god. Set to turn it to medium. Oh god. Oh boy. It's so beautiful! It looks like blood. Is it blood? Blood. That's getting real close to the edge. I'm really pushing the limits on this fucking cupcake mix. Oh boy. I've been watching this show on Netflix and it makes me think all too much about that. Clarita diet. I don't know if there's any safe way to get this safely into this without making a mess. I'm just gonna go for it. Okay, maybe I'll have more lighting here. Oh god. Okay, here we go. Oh gosh. Yes! Yes, Queen. Fuck, that was a hell of a lot smoother than I thought it would be. I'm professional. I should just do this for a living. Fuck it. Oh fuck. Alright, ladies and gents. I'm making cupcakes. Oh shit, that's a big one. Cupcakes, happy birthday, Mom. I don't even. Okay. This is a little messy. It adds character, right? Yes. To be honest, I don't even know if my mom eats these. She could very well just not eat red velvet cupcakes. She might hate them. Alright, bitches. You're gonna be looking mighty delicious in a few minutes. 16 and 19. We'll see. Time for my motherfucking smoke break. Smoke underwater, bitch. I don't know if this is supposed to be pretty or fucking creepy. Looks creepy. Yes. Fucking beautiful. Love it. Fucking pro this shit. Unless this bag explodes. Which is a very possible. Alright, what do you say we gay these up a little bit? Put some sprinkles on. Okay. Really? One caught. Yeah. Is it always this hard to sprinkle things? They just fall off. What do I do? What? Oh my god. I'm not trying to be racist or anything, but why would they put fucking white sprinkles in funfetti with white frosting? Duh. But it's so beautiful anyways. This is the best way to transport cupcakes. Mini cupcakes. Holla. Get high, fuck a bunch of girls, and they cry on top of the world. I also ran out of fucking Hershey Kisses, so we're going for Broken Crunch Bars. Holla! But first, it's time for break. Shop break! Yeehaw! What you at shop for? You just give me you. Give me you. So what you want to do? I'm touching it with my hands. Maybe I didn't Maybe I didn't wash my hands when I went to the bathroom. Nobody knows. Except for me. I know. What is it? having a dance party while I chocolate up these bitches. I'm so lonely. I must say that for a drunk kitchen, these look fucking beautiful. I ran out of egg curtains though, and I have a shitload, and there's still more in the oven. After what felt like fucking days, I'm finally done making these fucking things. There's so many! I was gonna make a burger like 2 hours ago. I had no idea these would take so goddamn long to make. Happy birthday, Mom! You get 1,000,000 cupcakes! Also, if you're watching my drunk kitchen on cupcakes, motherfucker. Anyway, if you're watching, you watch this whole thing, that means you have no fucking life, because you just watch this as long as I make. Bitch, what's happening? Ooh, bitch, what's happening? Ooh, it's on. Rock, roll. You can't get up. Boom, it's on. This mother rock your dome. Boom, bitch, what's happening? Boom, bitch. I decided to say fuck it, and I'm making a fucking burger. It looks fucking disgusting, but it's gonna be awesome. I mean, can you go wrong with those fixins and all those goddamn cupcakes? All the cupcakes in all the world. Oh, nigga, shoot. I wanna know. How does it? Not really though. I'm good. I don't even know. Have some fun. You're gonna give it some of that yum chocolate chip. You're gonna get. You're gonna get swoop. You're gonna ride in the coupe. Make me wanna shoot. Shoot, baby. If I can smell of it. Y'all want that shit? It's okay to be jealous. Georgians do thankful for your abilities. Looks dirty, but I swear it's not. Or is it? Nobody knows nor cares. Can I just say, I was kind of on this porn site and I kind of saw some individuals getting down with a soundtrack of this song, and it was awesome. First, when it comes to the gas, by no means that bad, as long as she's got to have it. Baby, you're perfect 10. I like the way you work it. No, I like the bag it. I like the way you work it. I like the bag. She's got class A style. She knowledge by the pound. Baby never act wild. Very low key on the profile. You got to pay to play just for shorter bang bang. Good way. I like the way you work it. Drop all day, every day. I like the way you work it. I like the bag. I like the way you work it. I like the bag it up. That's my peeps and we won't keep. Oh God, I don't know all the words. That's all I know really much. If I come across rude, that's just me, and that's how a player's got to be. And I burnt my fucking burger. Dance party! Okay, bye. This is one of my go-to songs. Nobody cares, but I'm gonna fucking rock out. Woo! Slam, boy, your temper, just toss that ham in the frying pan like slam. Damn, I feel like the son of Sam. Jump and watch it. trick and the lights are blinking. I'm thinking it's all over when I know I'm drinking. Oh, making my mind slow. That's why I don't fuck with a big fat hoe. Tuck your ass and I'm gonna ride much too fat like a sumo, slamming that ass. Lightly drop the dagger's hand, I'll rock me a check that style. Work it wild. Happy face, you're gonna see me smile. What that mean? Brain won't explain. Gunshot, don't sound, play that trumpet or hit that bone and break you or something soon. I got to get my props, cops. Come and try and snatch my guess I'm the pilot of this ship with the ultraviolet dreams. Look for insane in the memory.